This place is bananas. Don't listen to anyone that says this isn't worth $30. That might be the stupidest thing I've ever heard. Yeah. We're walking to Lions Rock. It's $30 each to get up there, but it's late afternoon, the weather's perfect, so we're gonna walk up.
Buy your ticket at the museum because we're foreigners, and then you get it stamped right at the entrance to the moat and the fortress.
Going to check out the view. It's actually a lot to explore here. You don't have to go just straight up the hill. You can check out the old ruins and the ramparts on the other side of the moat. We're going up top. So it can be really tempting to race your way to the top of the hill. I've been trying to like push us to go faster. And there's like, you know, you'll see a big group behind you and you're like, oh no, I don't want to get stuck behind them. And Lainey's like, slow down.
It's no race to the top, and we have the luxury of time since we're doing this by ourselves and not with a tour group, and we're staying right nearby. I intend to take full advantage of my $30 and be here for 3 hours.
Yeah, you're paying a lot of money to be here, so like see all the sights. We stepped off the side of the trail and there's this like beautiful tree that's actually a latrine. It's like the most beautiful latrine I've ever seen. Give yourself time. Don't try to do this site in an hour. That's a mistake. So steep. It's a lot of steps, honestly. It's pretty hot. Take little breaks, bring some water.
A lot of people think that $30 US is really expensive for this monument. However, I think it's completely worth it if you like history, like I do, you want to read all the descriptions, like I do, and you want a challenging physical hike, like I do. It's well worth what I'm paying for. To me, it's not about the view at the top. I can see the view at the top on the other rock, but to me, it's about the experience of this ancient civilization that built this place. It's unfathomable how huge it is.
She's trying to say it was worth the price of admission. Behind the mirror wall. We're like right up against the cliff face. Oh, we've got to be close. Ah!
It took us 2 hours to reach the Lion Stairs. We took our time taking photos and seeing every ruin at the bottom. One last flight of stairs, about 10 more minutes, and we were finally at the top.
Made it back down. Going down is actually really easy. You can go a totally different route. That was one of the most fun things that we've done on this entire 8-month trip so far. It's beautiful, full of history, it's quiet, it's calm, it's contemplative, it's unique. Like, it's just it's a home run. Slam dunk, insert sports metaphor. It's a really great place to visit. I hope you give yourself enough time to do it right. Try to go in the afternoon. easily one of our top 10s.
Lions rock for the win!